Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we are given three circles with different radii and it is given that AB equal to 49 centimeter. We have to calculate the sum of perimeters of these three circles. Now before solving this question, let us understand what is perimeter. The perimeter of the circle or the length of the boundary is given by 2 pi r1. This is called the perimeter of the circle. So the formula for the perimeter of the circle, given a circle with radius r, then perimeter of circle is given as 2 pi r1, or if I write in terms of diameter, it is 2r1 into pi or pi d1 in terms of diameter, and the diameter is 2 times the radius. Now with this relation in our mind, we will quickly solve this question. In this question, we are given AB which is equal to 49. Now if we look at the question, suppose R1 is the radius of the circle with pink color, the second circle has the radius R2 and R3 is the radius of the three circle. Similarly, the diameter of the first circle is D1, the second circle be D2 and the diameter of the third circle is D3. Now if we look at the question, it is given AB equal to 49, which is as good as D1 plus D2 plus D3. Now we have to find out sum of perimeter, which is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 plus 2 pi r3. Since the sum of the diameter is given, I will write the perimeter in terms of their diameter, which is equal to pi d1 plus pi d2 plus pi d3, and taking pi as common, d1 plus d2 plus d3. The value of pi is given in the question as 22 by 7 and the sum of the diameter was 49. So on cancelling, I'll get 22 upon 7 into 49. 7 is a 49. So it comes out to be 154 centimeter. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more problems on area and perimeters. Goodbye.